Welcome back to the video series where we make 3 small video games every single day, and today I'm going to show you how to make a poop ball that damages zombies when it touches them, and it has a stinky odor coming out of it. As always, the link to the code is in the video description. So I'm going to show you how to make this poop ball that does damage to the zombies in the back. So all you're really going to do is just go to parts, create a sphere. We're going to take the sphere, we're going to put it right here, and then we're going to add a few more parts. So we're gonna create one more part. This is gonna be the head. Then we're just gonna duplicate it by Control D to create the torso, Control D to create left leg, Control D to create the right leg. Now we're just gonna name the parts. This one is gonna be called the head. The sphere here is gonna be called the head. Alright, this is going to be called the head. We can call this one torso. This one we can call humanoid root part. Has to be spelled exactly like that. Then this one is left leg. Then this one we can make it right leg. Okay, once we do that, now what we're gonna need to do is look at the head, go here, see what the C frame is, copy that, and then for torso we're gonna paste it so it has the same C frame, basically same location, so it's in the center of it. Do the same thing to the humanoid root part, the same thing there for the left leg, same thing for the right leg. Now basically all the parts are centered into the sphere, and what we're gonna do is select all of them, right, holding shift down, press Control G so that it's grouped up together. Call this starter character, and then we're gonna add in here a humanoid object, right? And this humanoid object, we're gonna make its hip height around 2, just so it levitates a little bit off the ground. And then inside a humanoid root part, we're gonna add in motor 60, and then motor 60 has a bunch of parts in it, so we're gonna select part 0, humanoid root part 1, we're gonna select torso, right, and then the torso is gonna have a whole bunch of humanoid root parts in it. We're just gonna take motor 60, connect it to the torso, and then these motor 60 parts we're just gonna duplicate them 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So going back, part 1 we're gonna select the head, then second one we're gonna select part 0 for the other motor 60 left leg, then we're gonna select this other part 1 for the other motor 60 and select right leg. Okay, so basically the torso humanoid root part connects to the torso, and then the torso connects to every other part in here, right? That's gonna kind of glue this whole thing together, and that's basically how we create the character. And then the next thing that we're gonna do here is inside of the head, just add fire, and for the fire you can choose whatever color you want, but since we're making a poop ball, I'm just gonna choose something that looks a bit more brown, and then we're gonna go with here to something like that. For example, I chose green for my poop ball. You can go with a brown one. The size, you can make it like, I don't know, like 20, so it looks even more sinister, right? And then it's like kind of flowing up too fast, so I'm gonna kind of slow it down a bit. There, that looks good. It's not flowing up as fast now. Okay, so we've done that. Now what we're gonna do for our character here is we're we're gonna close this, and once we have done that, okay, now that we've made the character, we're gonna go ahead and make its animation. So we're just gonna click on this. Now that we've made the character, we're gonna make its animation. So we're gonna go in here and click on animation builder. I clicked on it and then it just, I don't know. Okay, so basically we have clicked on this, right, and we're gonna click plus, we're gonna select head, right, and then what we're gonna do is for the head, we just want to right click it and show orientation indicator so we know which direction it's pointing at. And what we're gonna do is gonna rotate it. So we're gonna click on the first frame, and you can see the orientation is that way. So I'm gonna flip. I'm not gonna actually flip it on the first frame, but then I'm gonna click on number 5, and in the number 5 I'm gonna flip it 90 degrees. Then at number 10 I'm gonna flip it another 90 degrees. Then at number 15 I'm gonna flip it another 90 degrees. Then at number 20 I'm gonna flip it another 90 degrees. This way we're doing a complete we're doing a complete 360 degree circle. And then we're gonna save this as rolling, right, and then we're gonna set its priority to movement, and then we're just gonna publish to Roblox. I'm gonna do it under my group. I'm gonna copy it, and then what I'll do is under starter character scripts, I'm gonna place a script in here called animation, and then under animation we have the animation here. So what you're gonna basically do is just go in here and create a animation object, call it rolling, and for that rolling object you're just gonna go to its animation ID and paste the animation ID that we have, right, and we're gonna make sure it's looped actually. So let me just republish that again because I forgot to loop it. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and then go in here and paste the new animation, right, and let's just play it. You can see it's rotating, right. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna create an animation script in here under starter player, starter character scripts. It's gonna be a local script. We're gonna call it animate, and then under that we're gonna basically drag a rolling script. We're gonna put that in here. We're gonna create a sound object, call it fire sound, and we're basically gonna go to the toolbox, choose, for pooping you're gonna choose a poop sound. So I like choose one that no. What the heck? Okay, I don't know what's going on with people and their sounds. You know what? Fart sound. That's what we need, not the poop sounds. Alright, so you just choose whichever one you want. So you just right click it, copy the asset ID, right? You go in the sound, and once you click on the sound, you're just gonna paste the sound ID in here. Where did it go? I'm not. Oh, there it is. Sorry. There. Alright, so you put the sound in there. Now, you're also gonna create damage script. We call it damage, and basically what that's gonna do is gonna damage the zombies. So when we touch the zombies, it's gonna damage them. And then you're also gonna create a health script. This health script basically is this right here, and it's just gonna heal you fast so that when the zombies damage you, you're gonna just recover fast. And so I'm just gonna delete this, and because I already have it here, so I'll just show you what the code looks like. This is what the code for the animate script looks like, right? So just copy that, the damage script, the health script. Once you have those together, it's just gonna go up, and basically let's play the game now and see how it does. You're gonna drag your starter character and you're gonna put it into starter player, right? And when you do that, okay, so to make the ball look like a poop, basically the texture of it, you're just gonna choose a CGA brown color, and that material should be basalt. Also gonna add some zombies in here. Zombies, we're just gonna go to the toolbox, go to models, and then we're gonna search for zombies from basically Roblox, made by Roblox, right? We're gonna add those zombies in. Gonna put a whole bunch of zombies around. And these are the zombies that we're gonna attack. Attack! Oh yeah, we killed them all in one strike with our stink bomb. Oh, here's another batch of zombies. Let's attack them. Roar! Roar! Okay. We killed the zombies successfully, guys. Good job. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.